This compact lift-top coffee table offers a versatile surface that smoothly converts from a low living room table to a comfortable height for casual dining, laptop work, or board games. Beneath the lifting top is a generous hidden compartment that keeps blankets, game controllers, and other clutter out of sight while still easy to reach. An additional open shelf and two side drawers provide organized storage for laptops, remotes, and small accessories, helping a small living room feel more orderly. The upgraded metal gas lift mechanism raises and lowers quietly and steadily, feeling sturdier and more controlled than older spring-based designs. Integrated color-changing LED lighting, controlled by an application and remote, lets you create everything from a soft movie night glow to a more vibrant party atmosphere. Clear instructions and labeled hardware make assembly manageable for one person, and the overall build feels solid enough for everyday use in a busy living space.